Welcome to the Hilton M. Briggs Library online class on Finding Books, Module 2. In this module, we'll learn how to work with records for individual entries in the library catalog. I'll return to the results list we concluded with in Module 1. This results list was generated by searching farm with an asterisk and safety, then limiting to the last 2 years, then sorting by year. Now let's look at some of the individual entries in our results list. The first 2 entries are for video recordings. The second entry is entitled Farm Safety. I'll click on this title for more information. The Notes field tells me that the video originally aired April 1st, 2010 on South Dakota Public Television. This video is from the On Call program. There is a summary of what the video covers. The summary can be helpful in evaluating if the video contains information you need for your research purpose. If you decide you want to access this video, you can click on the full text link to view it online. Let's return to our results list. Let's look at entry number 3 on our list. The icon by this entry shows that it's a book. I'll click on the title for more information. The Contents field here contains the main topics addressed in the book. This information, like the summary we looked at in the last record, can help you evaluate if the book contains information relevant to your topic. If I decided I do want to use this book for my research, my next step is to locate it in the library. Look under the Status Due Date to see if the book is checked out or on the shelf. If the book's record says On Shelf, as this one does, you can go ahead and look for the book on the shelves. Look under Collection to see where the book is located in the library. This book is located on the upper level of the library. There are various collections in the library, and they are located in different areas of the library, so pay attention to the collection. The majority of books are on the upper level. You will need to write down the call number of the book. The call number enables you to locate the book on the shelf in the library. Our book, Food Politics, What Everyone Needs to Know, has the call number HD 1415.P12-2010. I'll need that complete number to find the book. Once you're on the upper level of the library, use the guides overhead and on the end of the book ranges to find your specific book. Please ask for help at the Library Services Desk if you have any trouble finding a book on the shelves. Briggs Library uses the Library of Congress call number system for cataloging our books. This is a system that is useful for large research libraries, but one unfamiliar to some people. Even if you are experienced locating books, there can be problems, such as books being misshelved, so please ask anytime you need help finding books. Here is an example of a book that is checked out. When we look at the Item Status Due Date area, there is a red date. That indicates that the book is indeed checked out. If you want to use a book that's checked out, contact the Library Services Desk to fill out a request form. If you are the first person to request a book, it usually takes about a week to get the book back. Let's return to our results list. I'm going to look at the 6th record in our list, which is an e-book. From the lengthy title, I can tell that this is a congressional hearing from 2007. I'll click on the title for more information. The title of the item and its authors show that this is a government document. This document is available online, which is why it was categorized as an e-book. I can click on either of the full text links to view the complete document. We can also get help modifying our searches when we are working with individual records. I'm going to return to the first entry we looked at, the video on farm safety. I'll click on the title. Included here are subject terms associated with the item. Subject terms are helpful for focused searching. Subject terms are assigned by people cataloging records. A human being looks at the item and decides what the main focus of the text or video is, then assigns those subject terms from a controlled vocabulary. When we use keywords, as we did with our initial search, we may pull up items that relate only tangentially to our topics. With subject terms, we are able to search more precisely. We are more likely to retrieve items that address our topic in depth. I can click on agriculture safety measures to search by that subject term. You can see how the results here are more specific to safety measures. Our original keyword search for farm safety retrieved a broader range of information. For practice in this module, connect to the library's catalog. You can do this by opening a new tab or window in your browser. Remember that you can connect to the catalog by navigating to the library's homepage at http://www.sdstate.edu/library and clicking on Find Books on the right-hand side of the page. Enter a search. You may search for global warming and forest with an asterisk, or try a search of your own. Pick one of the entries to examine in more detail. What type of resource is it? Is it a book, or an e-book, or a video? Click on the title and examine the information there. Are contents or a summary given? What subject terms are listed? How would you access this resource? Is it online? Would you find it on the library shelf? When you are ready to proceed, go to Module 3.